A spectral analysis of foils, adapters of the thread adapter kit and other types of materials. To complete the task, an Endurance DIY marking machine with DPSS laser modules and a sino-galvo galvanometer with an average power of 10 watt was used. Laser microspectral analysis is a method of qualitative analysis based on the absorption of focused laser radiation by the substance under study, the evaporation of a small amount of the substance, and the study of the emission spectrum of the torch, formed as a result of evaporation. We use the Aurora 4000 spectrometer, a spectrometer built according to the classical symmetrical Cherney-Turner design based on a diffraction grating, which is used to analyze optical radiation. The spectrometer uses a linear CCD matrix from Toshiba as a signal receiver. Aluminum. Iron. Foils adapter. Stainless steel. Steel. Titanium. Union. Music generated by the AVA service. Voice generated by Uberduck. Visit EnduranceLasers.com website and our online store.